wish you happy retirement and the best wishes for the new journey. We all prayed for your quick recovery, sir. The past 1 year onwards, you were in our prayers. You were the coolest person, even in the toughest situations. You managed your health very peacefully. You had a glorious service and contributed immensely to the DAV organization. You have inspired many teachers with your humble nature, and you are well known for your simplicity. Thank you, sir. Best wishes to you, sir, from M. Sridevi, DAV BDL Banu, from USA.
Hi sir, hope you remember me. I am Giridhar, your student from DAV Public School Banur. Hope you are doing well. Firstly, when Sweta reached out to me saying that you are about to retire, I feel very sad. And at the same time, I feel happy that you are able to get some rest and happiness in your life. At this moment, I can only say that I'd like to thank you from bottom of my heart for all what you have done over the years to shape up students like me. You are one of the teachers in my life, sir, who has influenced me more than anyone. You inspired me, encouraged me to overcome my fears, and you have taught me so many valuable lessons in my life. At this point, I can only remember one thing, and I'd like to thank God for that is when God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonders of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which we grow, so we all can decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong. To lead so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us to learn and to make our world a better, wiser place. Sir, I still remember the days when you used to be the vice principal of our school, and we all used to be very scared of you, sir. Let me say you that. But at that point of time, we didn't realize the importance of what you were trying to teach us. But now, if I'm retrospecting those days, I can only say that what we are now is all because of what you have taught us back there. The discipline, the hardworking nature, the sincerity, the attentiveness, that all has really helped us and shaped us, our futures in the right path. I can also still remember your biology classes, sir, and I will never forget those classes. Those are the wonderful time that I used to have. And the way you used to teach biology has really inspired me to pursue my career in biology. And now I can proudly say that I'm a biologist, now working to improve the life and health of the people. Under the current circumstances of COVID, we know how important biology is, and we are all working to fight against the pandemic. And again, all those things that we are doing now in the lab is because of what you have taught us during our schooling days, which has laid a very good foundation on which we have built up on. Thank you so much, sir, for going above and beyond and bringing out the best in us. I can only promise you that we remember all your lessons that you have taught, and I can only pass on all that you have valuable things that you have taught us to the next generations. Thank you, sir, and have a nice and happy life ahead of you.
I really wanted to kind of mention it here. So it was just before our board exams, 10th board exams. You came to our class and you were trying to explain us how to prepare for your exams, and there was this one incident from your life that you shared with us that still is there in my mind. So you had mentioned that during your college days how you would go for a movie a night before the exam and still crack the exam so well, perform so well during the exam. So sharing that incident, you had mentioned that that should be the level of your preparation, that should be your command on the subject, and that's how dedicated you should be on your studies. So that one experience or that one lesson was there with me for a really long time, and I still remember, and I still kind of recollect it whenever there is a difficult situation in my office, or when I was writing my important examinations like CAT and MSET. So it still is there in my head that that should be the level of preparation and that should be the command on our subject. So I think these kind of words and these kind of inspiring incidents from you really stayed with me for a really long time, and thank you so much for actually pushing us and being one of the best teachers that we had during. And thank you so much for being such an important part of my life, and I really wish that you have a great second innings post your retirement and spend lots and lots of time with your children and grandchildren. Thank you so much again.
Yes, Prabhakar, for me, is a trustworthy person and a person of impeccable integrity, thoroughly professional and very unassuming. And what I like in him is he is never in the forefront, but his work speaks, and very good at tapping the talents of his not only teachers, the staff. I still remember the annual days and leaves in his erstwhile school, that is Pandur as well as Wadi, one of the Silver Jubilee functions. You can't imagine the way they perform. This is what Prabhakar is for me, thoroughly professional, and then his relationship with the staff and everybody is also professional. He doesn't go beyond that. And this is what Prabhakar is for me, thoroughly professional, and then his relationship with the staff and everybody is also professional. He doesn't go beyond that. And there are many things which, truly is emulating from Prabhakar. The way he flipped the school and his school, within this short stint of time, he speaks of his ability to tap work from, whether it is management or teachers or staff. He is truly a trusted soldier. I have the greatest admiration and respect for Prabhakar. And I wish Prabhakar a very good health, bounce back, and then I wish you to have a very fulfilled retired life. I wish you had a little more some more years to serve the school, so that you would have taken the school to a much greater height. And I thank the school, Nani School, for remembering me. I don't know whether I am going out of the way, but once again I would like to say that wherever he has worked, he has left a mark for himself. People just remember as Prabhakar sir. God bless you, Prabhakar, and your family, and all the best to you.
Namaste sir, Namaskar everyone watching this video. This is Jasma Jana alumni of DAV-CCI Tandoor of batch 2009. This video is dedicated to then Principal, our beloved and respected B. Prabhakar sir. I take this opportunity to dedicate a small poem for sir before sharing my memories with sir. Like a candle that burns itself to spread light, you taught everything by walking hard day and night. Just like the flowers give away fragrance that they cannot smell, you made our lives blossom in a way. With this, I would say, sir, it was great learning from you. Thank you for giving me the opportunities from where I could polish my talent and I could be the best I can be. Thank you for the opportunities I still remember you gave me during the school tenure, like participating in inter-school elocution competition, science exhibitions, or also hosting the school annual function. That really helped me in polishing my skill or talent. I improved my orating skills a lot, and the profession I am into now is really helping me as I was skilled during my school days. And thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunities during the school days. We really miss you, sir, and I wish you happy retirement.
Namaste sir, namaste to everyone watching this video. Hope you're having a good time. This is Lisma. I'm an alumnus of DAV Tandoor, and to be really honest, it makes me feel surreal to be recording a retirement video for sir, because sir is the first principal I hold memory of, and suddenly I feel older. However, I don't think there could be a better opportunity than this to express my thanks and gratitude to sir for his contribution and efforts towards shaping the person I am today. Thank you for the endless opportunities, be it at sports, academics, extracurricular. Thank you for all those encouragements. I still remember a small appreciation from you whenever the dance went well or whenever the debate went well, meant a world to me. I'm really grateful for your presence during that tenure of my life, because there's a lot I learned from DAV Tandoor, and I can proudly say that the seed of self-belief and the seed of self-confidence in me was planted when I was in DAV Tandoor. So thank you for giving me that platform, that environment where I could grow. And a happy retirement life to you, good health to you. Hope you have a very happy and fun-filled life ahead. And thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. It's a real honor.
Prabhakar sir, he is a voluminous and an unparalleled personality. A person who has got all the noble qualities strung within him. As a principal, I think he is excellent, as he has been more than half a dozen principals under him. Sir, hats off to you. That is truly a great achievement, and as a person, really we miss you a lot, sir. The days we spent in Wadi are very cherishable and memorable, and your kindness is to the core. You have helped n number of us, and your deeds are so noble that they have made an indelible impression on us. So words are insufficient to describe you, sir. So in the end, I only pray to God that you should have a very cheerful retirement. May God shower His choicest blessings on you. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Laila Abraham of DAV Public School, Wadi. Today, I'm standing with a heavy heart in front of you as we have to bid adieu to our beloved former principal, B. Prabhakar sir. We had the privilege to work with him for over 9 years. And during these 9 years, the school has achieved excellence in academics and in all the other fields. He was a true mentor and guide for all of us. He has touched the heart of every person whom he has come into contact with. And now it's time for Sir to sing the swan song with a contented heart, as he has done his part well. We owe him a lot, and in fact, there are no words to speak now. I would like to recall the poet P.B. Shelley's poem, Ozymandias, in which a great king makes monuments and big statues to make himself immortal. But with the passing of time, these structures get destroyed and the king is forgotten. Our sir has not made any monument for him, but he will remain in our hearts forever. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us and for doing unimaginable things for us. Now, I would wish sir a joyful, peaceful and healthy retirement life. Thank you, sir.
మూసిన ముత్యాలకే మొరగులు, ఆశల చిత్తానికే అలపోకలు. మూసిన ముత్యాలకే మొరగులు, ఆశల చిత్తానికే అలపోకలు. కందులేని ముందుల తేలి, చిందని కొప్పుల తేలి, మందయానమున తేలే మట్టెల మోతలు, మందయానమున తేలే మట్టెల మోతలు, గంధమేలే పైకంబరి నీవేనికి. This song is dedicated to our beloved principal sir, the great legendary B. Prabhakar sir.
Namaste. Prabhakar Sir, the epitome of simplicity. Sir is calm, composed and compassionate person. I am fortunate that I have got an opportunity to work under him. Sir, we miss you a lot. May Allah the Almighty bless you with good health and retired life. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार। मैं कविता हूँ ये विवाड़ी से। प्रभाकर सर के लिए अ टोकन ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट एक छोटी सी कविता इस कविता के द्वारा। नाम है इनका प्रभाकर, पर्याय है जिसका दिवाकर। बस फर्क इतना है कि सूरज जग को उजाला करता है और ये औरों के जीवन में उजाला करते हैं। ऐसे तो ये व्यक्ति बड़े ही सरल हैं, व्यक्तित्व इनका बड़ा ही विरल है। जो औरों की भलाई करते हैं, स्वयं पीछे ठहरते हैं और दूसरों को सफल करते हैं। हम बड़े ही नसीब वाले हैं जो हमने इनके साथ काम किया। इनके मार्गदर्शन में डीएवी वाड़ी ने बहुत ऊंचा नाम किया। ऐसे महान व्यक्ति को हमारा सहृदय प्रणाम है और हम सब की ओर से उनके अभिनंदन के लिए एक छोटा सा पैगाम है। थैंक यू सर।
नमस्सदसे नमस्सदसस्पते नमः पुरोगानां चक्षुषी नमो महद्भ्यः। గురువు గారు ప్రభాకర్ సార్ వ్యక్తిత్వాన్ని గురించి మాట్లాడడానికి 4 ముఖాలున్న బ్రహ్మ కూడా సరిపోదు. 1000 ముఖాలున్న ఆదిశేషుడు మాట్లాడితే కూడా ఆ వ్యక్తిత్వాన్ని మనం మాటల్లో కొలవలేము. అలాంటి మహామనిషి రిటైర్మెంట్ సందర్భంగా నాకు తోచిన 4 మాటలు ఆయన శిష్యర్కంలో, ఆయన రూపకల్పనలో ఇలా తయారై ఉన్న కృతజ్ఞతాభావంతో చెప్తున్నటువంటి విషయాలు. ఎట్టి చేయిదాకి మట్టి ముద్దయుగూడ, ఎట్టి చేయిదాకి మట్టి ముద్దయుగూడ, చేతులెత్తి మ్రొక్క శిల్పమగును. ఎట్టి చేయిదాకి మట్టి ముద్దయుగూడ, చేతులెత్తి మ్రొక్క శిల్పమగును. బండరాయిని తెచ్చి బ్రతుకంగ నేర్పించి, బండరాయిని తెచ్చి బ్రతుకంగ నేర్పించి, మంచి చెడ్డ తెలిపి పెంచదగును, మంచి చెడ్డ తెలిపి పెంచదగును. ఎవని మాట చాలు, ఎవని మాట చాలు ఏగాని లేకయే, బ్రతుకు పోరు సలుప పట్టుగలుగు, బ్రతుకు పోరు సలుప పట్టుగలుగు. మార్గదర్శనము మర్యాద పెంచగా, ఎవని చూపు మిగుల ఎన్నదగును. కౌగిలింతను చేర్చి కారణమును తెల్పి, వర్తనము మార్చిన వ్యక్తి ఇతడు. రామపదము సోకి రాయి సీతగా మారే, అట్లు నన్ను మార్చే నద్భుతముగా, అట్లు నన్ను మార్చే నద్భుతముగా. బేతి వంశకులజు బి ప్రభాకరు, పాదరశ్మి దాల్తు రాజగురువ, పాదరశ్మి తాల్తు తలను రాజగురువ. గుర్రమేను రౌతు గురువుగా భావించి, నాదు బ్రతుకు గడువ నమ్ముదిలను. ఒక మట్టి ముద్దను, బండ రాయిని ఇంతటి శాస్త్రిగా తయారు చేసిన మా గురుదేవులు బి ప్రభాకర్ సార్ గారు పాదాలకి నమస్కరిస్తూ, వారి విశ్రాంత జీవనం ఆయురారోగ్య ఐశ్వర్యాలతో భోగభాగ్యాలతో నిండాలని మనసా వాచ నా దైవాన్ని ప్రార్థిస్తూ విరమిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
this warm weather, where all hearts are filled with hope and joy, I stand here with fixed emotion. On one side, there is a sense of sadness that our principal sir is leaving us, and on the other side, he is going to start another picnic. We all have gathered here to bid adieu to our dear sir. Science team would like to introduce the most loved person of Brahm Prakash DAV School. He is none other than our principal sir, Mr. Bethi Prabhakar Ji. B stands for Beam of Light. He always spreads light and guides each and everyone whoever needs his guidance. P. Pressure. Pressure is defined to be the amount of force exerted per area, and our sir always gives liberty to teachers in their teaching style, which is divided by empathy towards the teachers, which leads to the pressure-free, lovely atmosphere. R. Reaction. Reaction is an action taken in response to something. When teachers become more ascetic because of their thought processes, sir used to act like a base and neutralizes teachers' thoughts in a right direction. A. A stands for acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of the velocity of an object with respect to time. Same way, our sir accelerates the change of the mindsets of teachers divided by their working style and accelerates the working style of our teachers. B. B stands for Bernoulli's law. It is grading the pressure difference and uplifting the body. Same way, sir could easily identify the skills and talents of the teachers and uplifted them and tries to implement their skills in teaching. H. H stands for human heart. Heart is a vital organ of all human beings. Same way, sir is the most important person in our school and pumps love and affection to children, to parents and to BP Devi family. A. A stands for atom. Atom is the building block of the matter. Same way, sir acts as a building block of BP Devi School, and he will be admired for his big academic excellence, co-curriculum pursuits and discipline that will be a model for many other institutions around us. K. K stands for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an object is the energy that it possesses due to its motion. Same way, sir is always very proactive and always in motion and guiding all of us in our functioning areas. A. A stands for alloy. Alloy is a substance which is formed when two or more metals are combined. Same way, sir acts like an alloy by combining the different teachers having different qualities to strengthen their teaching in totality. R. R stands for refining. Refining is the process of removing impurities. In the same way, sir extracts and nurtures the skills and talent of a particular teacher, and in the process make the teacher perfect and pure like a 24-karat gold. Sir, thank you for your kind support and love. Together, we can build upon the great legacy our dear principal sir is leaving behind. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा
teachers and my dear friends. This is Lavajan of class 7C. Today I am going to recite a poem to honor our respectful principal sir who is sadly retiring. Dear sir, your retirement has made everyone value you even more. It's a bit much to be believing that soon you will be leaving. You have inspired us and strengthened our cause. You gave us the courage to go higher and gave us wings to fly freely and soar. You always lend teachers and students a helping hand. In our tough times, behind us you stand. For all the good things that you have taught and all the good work that you finished, you truly deserve our cheers as our principal for all these years. You are not just retiring from your post, position or role. You are retiring as a teacher who inspired our souls. Thank you, sir, from the bottom of my heart, from all the students of 7C. You will be surely missed. Thank you.
An ode to Sri Beti Prabhakar sir. A leader is you who is amiable and the one who leads from behind. A leader is you who is wise with instant and bountiful advice. A positive thinker who sees the invisible, feels the intangible and achieves the impossible. Your productive tenure was indeed a bonanza, with the years to reckon with, years to unleash our potential. Under your mentorship, Srijnatmak Ekyam evolved. The flamboyant sports meet left an indelible mark in the annals of DAV, and academics soared and zoomed too. All succeeded only with the zest to make a difference. A leader is someone whom we can affirm. The leader in you has unearthed the leader in us. A leader you are who believes and entrusts his dream to bring out the best. With your Midas touch, the dreary and arid school campus metamorphosed into a sea of green serenity. Your work speaks for you. We are fortunate to be led by you. So, this is a bouquet of our gratitude. Indebted to you shall we remain forever. Thank you so much, sir.
A hundred
road. You'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I know, every seed of greatness you have seen. Through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in everything, in my heart you will always stand. In this moment let me sing how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stand. In this moment let me sing. You turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams away. With you, all that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your love and smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stand. In this moment let me sing how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stand. In this moment let me sing. You turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams away. With you, stay. In this moment let me sing how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stand. In this moment let me sing. You turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams away. With you, and I really want to say thank you.
మా ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారు పదవీ విరమణ చేస్తున్న సందర్భంగా వారికి ఈ పాట పద్యం అంకితం. శ్రమదాచని భానునికి తలవంచని ధీరునికి నిమిషమేని విధి మరువని నీతి కర్మశీలునికి వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే. మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. పాఠశాల పులకింపగ రుధిరం స్వేదమ్ము కాగా, పాఠశాల పులకింపగ రుధిరం స్వేదమ్ము కాగా, రూపురేఖలను మార్చిన ఈ దారు శిల్పునికి వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే. మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. కంటికి కనురెప్పలాగా చేను చుట్టూ కంచెలాగా మా అందరి కవచమైన మా సారు ప్రభాకరుకు వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. మేలు స్టాఫ్ మేలు కోరి మురిపెంగా మమ్ము చేరి మమకారం పంచిచ్చిన రోజుల్ని మరిచిపోము. సూర్యునికి సలాం కొట్టి స్కూలుకొచ్చే పిల్లలకు మన సుధీర మమతలు రబోధనలు చేశారు. వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. ప్రలోభాల మాయలోన పడవో నీ నిర్మలుడా ప్రలోభాల మాయలోన పడవో నీ నిర్మలుడా పసిపిల్లల హృదయాలకు ప్రగతి మార్గదర్శకుడా. వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. ఆ దినకరుని వెలుగులతో ఈ జగతి తెల్లవారు ఈ దినకరుని ప్రేరణతో ప్రభలు కురిసి ప్రజ్వరిల్లు. వందనాలు వందనాలు అభినందన చందనాలివే మా అభినందన చందనాలివే. మరొక సీస పద్యం. మా బాధ ఇది అంటూ మౌనంగా మేముంటే తండ్రిలా మా వెన్ను తట్టినారు. కష్టాలు కన్నీళ్లు కడదాకా రాకుండా తల్లిలా మముగా చెతపసి మీరు. భానుడే లేనట్టి భరత ఖండము లేదు మహిళన మీ వంటి మనిషి లేడు. వ్యాజమే లేనట్టి వ్యాఘ్రంబు మీరయా బిగువు తెగువయున్న బేతివారు బిగువు తెగువయున్న బేతివారు. మరపురాని కీర్తి మమకార సంతృప్తి మూట గట్టుకున్న మునులు మీరు. మనసు దోచుకున్న మాసారు మీరంటూ చేయి కలుపుతాము చేవతోను. మరి ఇంత గొప్పగా ఈ యొక్క ప్రస్థానం కొనసాగించారు ఇక్కడ. మరి ఈ యొక్క ప్రస్థానాన్ని గురించి ప్రజలందరూ ఏమనుకుంటున్నారో మరొక పద్య రూపంలో తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఆ ప్రజలందరూ ఏమనుకుంటున్నారో తెలిపేటటువంటి ఒక ఉత్పలమాల పద్యం. ఆ బడి మేలు మేలు బలి అంచు ప్రజల్ జయవెట్టుచుండన్ ఆజ్ఞా బహుపాలన వ్రతుడు శాంతి దయాభరణుండు సత్యభాష బిగువున్ననేతితడు సాధు జనాధరణుండు దాన విద్యా బుధుండంతటన్ ఇల ప్రభాకరు సారు నుదగ్రతేజుడై. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Namaste ma'am and hello friends. Today Ayanushka Tiwari of class 7C would like to recite a poem on the occasion of our Honorable Principal Sir's retirement. Your retirement has made everyone value you ever more. It has made us appreciate the way you strengthen our course. You are not just retiring from your position, post or role. You are retiring as a teacher who has inspired our souls. Goodbye, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your social etiquettes and valuable lines. Thank you and happy retirement.
Namaste, sir. On April 11, 2018, a new sun rose to illuminate the praises of Brahma Prakash DAV School. It is his, and he is none other than our beloved principal, sir, Prabhakar sir. Today, we, the staff of Brahma Prakash DAV School, is making a humble effort to pay respect and express gratitude towards this great person.
We started with the word ray. Sir, a ray has one endpoint which extends indefinitely in one direction. Similarly, you have extended your potential to infinite heights but have not forgotten your roots.
The line extends infinitely in both the directions. Sir, depending on the need, you never hesitated to go to any extent to work for the benefit of the organization.
A line segment is a part of a line and has two endpoints. You have been committed to the organization you worked for and exhibited humility to the core. Organization was the first priority given by you always. You strike a balance between goals of the management and needs of the organization.
A ray, a line, and a line segment have infinite points. Similarly, sir, you have so many qualities in you which made you an excellent person in general and an efficient administrator in particular.
Teacher excellence, student willingness, parent support result in academic success.
Maintaining a productive and supportive relationship with and between parents, teachers and students is an art, and our sir is very skillful in achieving this form of art.
The four pillars of school growth: governance, operations, administration, learning. Sir, you have been a visionary principal who knew the strategies, policies and practices that should be built for the growth of the organization.
Sir, you have been excellent in managing human resources, facilities, information technology and support services. You had a clear understanding of strategy to build a talented faculty and staff. Technology consider operations and communication technology and how to conduct an operation.
Creating a result-oriented innovative environment that fosters changes in learning is the biggest challenge for administrators, which has been a left-hand play for our dear sir.
The school no longer controls the curriculum but remains the best provider of learning experiences, support and accountability. Sir's mind is full of strategies to achieve a personalized classroom experiences that exhibit the utmost in student experience, student product and student assessment. He creates an understanding among teachers about instructional technologies, instructional design and creates an active professional learning culture.
A circle is a set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Similarly, a unique quality of embracing every person, idea, strategy that comes your way and molding it to for the benefit of the school in one way or the other made you a unique person who could see success.
Sir, you have the unique quality of keeping everyone united and comfortable. We comes before I for you always, and you only see the silver lining of every cloud.
Sir, your love for nature has been evident throughout your career, and every organization you have worked for has been converted into a speech is silver, silence is golden. One should learn putting this into practice from youth. Actions speak louder than words. You have proved this, sir. Fondly called Sound of Silence by his intimate friends and Karma Yogi by his mentor and the mentor of many, Srimati Sita Kiran Madam. So, you have lived to the example is better than precept. Sir, you have won a place in the heart of every student, teacher, parent and management, which is a rare feat to acquire. We shall definitely emulate your excellent qualities of perseverance, patience and so many other innumerable qualities, and we promise we will do our best to follow the path, exemplary path laid by you. Thank you, sir.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aditya Uttarkar. I am from class 7C BP Devi School. Today I wrote a poem. Like a candle that burns itself to spread light, you gave us everything by working hard day and night. Just like the flowers give away fragrance that they can't smell, you have made our lives blossom in the way that words can't tell. Happy retired life, sir.
Namaste, sir. We are like the Saptarishi Mandal of the BP DAV galaxy. We are the teachers of Social Science Department. We have assembled here to bid adieu to our caring and loving principal, sir. Our sir is retiring from his active position today. When I think of our sir, the first and foremost thought that comes to my mind is the Gandhian principle of simple living and high thinking. He leads a simple life with a great vision. Sir, our department teachers want to express their view and gratitude towards you. Thanking you, sir.
Namaste, sir. P.B. Shelley's poem titled Ozymandias talks about king who made monuments and statues of himself so that everybody would remember him for quite a long time. As the time passed, all his monuments and statues got destroyed and buried in the deep sands of desert. Unlike this king, there are few people who leave legacy in the hearts of the people which are never destroyed. Such a person has been our principal. Throughout your tenure, you have been very understanding and supportive to all the staff members. You are like a tree laden with fruits who learn to bend down upon others so that everybody would imbibe the good qualities of you. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, namaste. You are a patient listener. You listen each and every one. Hardly you react, except when it is required. That is the best quality in you, sir, that I admire. Thank you and namaste.
Namaste, sir. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard and succeed on purpose. That is what we like in you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Namaste, sir. You are meticulous and a great organizer who takes extreme care in minute details. You are a person who demonstrates these skills to reach the target focusedly. You are special and extremely execute things in a very proper way which enables everyone to gain success in life. Thank you, sir. You are a role model for everyone in the school. Thank you very much, sir, for guiding us. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. So you have lot of qualities. So I will mention about one quality which I always adore from you, that is humbleness. And whatever you have done all these days for the school, for the beautification, everywhere greenery, and where we said that sir it's beautiful, and what you said, what I did, everything you have done. मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, आप लोगों ने सब किया है. So those words which shows that how much humble you are, sir. So always we would like to have your humbleness. Today, sir, I will not speak much. I just want to pay Guru Dakshina to you. These are my flowers on your feet, sir. ए आमार गुरु दक्षिणा गुरु के জানাই প্রণাম এই শুভ কামনায় আমি এই দিন পেলাম এ আমার গুরু দক্ষিণা ফুল তো হাজার ফোটে শাখায় শাখায় সবাই তো দেবতার পরশ না পায় ফুল তো হাজার ফোটে শাখায় শাখায় সবাই তো দেবতার পরশ না পায় এই শুভ কামনায় ধন্য হলাম এই শুভ কামনায় ধন্য হলাম এ আমার গুরু দক্ষিণা গুরুকে জানাই প্রণাম. So it shows that it is my Guru Dakshina. For this Guru Dakshina I got these days. Everybody, not only me, it's all teachers, we got these wonderful days, we worked under you. And that फूल तो हजार फूटे means फूल तो हजारों फूल खिलते हैं सर, बट स्कूल तो बहुत है, ऐसे ही स्कूल बहुत है, लेकिन सबको आप जैसे गुरु नहीं मिलता है, सबको आप जैसे प्रिंसिपल्स नहीं मिलते हैं. सो दैट इज़ फूल तो हजार फूटे शाखाएं शाखाएं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू एंड नमस्ते.
Namaste sir. Your passion, patience and perfectness in the work is what we have learned from you sir. We are very fortunate to work under your able guidance. Thank you sir.
నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు నూటికో కోటికో ఒక్కరు ఎప్పుడో ఎక్కడో పుడతారు అది మీరే మీరే మాస్టారు మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు అది మీరే మీరే మాస్టారు మా దేవుడు మీరే మాస్టారు.
We wish you a happy, pleasant, prosperous and peaceful retirement life sir. Namaste.
Namaste sir. What to say about you? It is very difficult to find words about you. You're the man of vision. You're the man of hard work. You're the man of dedication. You're the man of success. I wish you a happy and healthy retired life. Thank you sir.
Respected ARO Madam and Principal Sir, as we are all know, today is retirement day of our beloved Principal Sir. It is very sad for bidding goodbye to someone who has become pillar of our school. He improved our school with his valuable services. Many new development programs were implemented by him, such as planting trees and building of the beautiful gardens was possible with his idea. He is very humble person. He treats each and every person with respect and love. He always kept work at first place in spite of his health condition. He guided us with proper instructions. It was great working with him. His work truly made a lasting impact and has changed our school for the better in so many ways. We are really going to miss him. Hope you will enjoy every minute of your retirement. Thank you for the great time you shared with us. Thanking you.
परिवार का रिवाज कितना प्यारा है डीएवी परिवार
खुशबू से बगिया खुशबू